Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing video of PowerColor AMD Radeon RX 9070XT. In my last video I talked about the Seasonic PSU that I'm gonna use to pair with this one. This one is gonna be used alongside 5700X3D on AM4 platform, and in this video we're just gonna unbox it and so you can see the contents. Here's how the box looks. Here's all the additional information about the GPU, the backplate, power kit, cooling design. So yeah, key features are RDNA 4 architecture. It supports FSR 4. There's also much better ray tracing support with this generation. You'll need a minimum of 800 watt power supply. 16 gigs of RAM is recommended. The build I'm using it in is gonna have 32 gigs. What else is important to mention? Yeah, that's basically about it. So it has 3 display ports 2.1A, and it has one HDMI port 2.1. It has a massive heatsink. The build quality is premium, I'd say. You're gonna see it for yourself now. It comes with 16 gigs of VRAM, and it's intended for 1440p and 4K gaming. You can snag one now on Amazon. There's a limited time deal for $630. So that's really close to the MSRP. I suggest you get it because it's great value. It's slightly overclocked compared to the stock. And yeah, let's see what's inside. I personally think this is a great pick, especially now before the rumored prices are gonna skyrocket next year because of the memory shortage. Okay, we have some protective foam here. I like that. Ensures safe transport. Here's the GPU itself. Let me just take it out. Not damage anything. It's in the anti-static bag. Let me just, yeah, that's it when it comes to the contents of the box. It's a much different experience to what you would get with Red Devil, for example. That's the one I'm using. This is for a friend's build. Okay, so here's the tree fan design. These look great. The GPU is massive. The heatsink is massive. Okay, here are the ports. So 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. Here on the top, since it's less clocked than the Red Devil Edition comes with 3 8-pins. This one has 2 8-pins. And there here's the dual bias switch. To the left is the overclocked one, to the right is silent. I'll let you know how it performs in both of these modes. Here's the LED switch, so you can make the card the same color as the rest of your build. The Hellhound branding is here on the black backplate. It looks really great, and I have to say that the build quality is really premium. And yeah, let's fix my OCD here. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it. It's great value. You should pick it up while it's at this price because, as I mentioned, I think these GPUs are gonna get more expensive. RAM prices are already 2 or 3 times more expensive than they were in the first half of the year. And yeah, it's a nice one. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll share my results of how this GPU performs. I think it's gonna perform well, and 5700 X3D is a great pair with this. If you're on the AM4 platform, this is a good GPU to update to. And yeah, let me know if you guys want to see the contents of the Red Devil limited edition box. So that one, it offered a completely different experience unboxing experience for me. I got it almost 6 months ago now, and yeah, it's amazing card. I've been using it so far, and it's been amazing. It's much more power hungry than this one, and I recommended this one to my friend because it does offer similar to performance to Red Devil, with a bit less electricity, I don't know, wattage, however you want to call it. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I'll gladly answer them. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.